Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button below. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back again. Today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious pepper stew. And if you want to see how I made it, please keep watching. For this stew, you will be needing 2 tomatoes, 1 bell pepper, 2 scotch bonnets, onions, smoked fish, crayfish, dry prawns, vegetable oil, palm oil, salt, seasoning cube, and boiled egg. We're going to heat the palm oil for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then we add the vegetable oil. Add some salt and the crayfish and allow to fry for a few seconds. Then add the pepper mix that has been roughly blended. Now you're just going to add your crayfish, your smoked fish, seasoning cubes, and more salt. And if you are watching this video and you've not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and continue watching. I'm going to add a boiled egg and cover to cook for 30 minutes. That's it guys, the pepper stew is ready. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one.